How was the movie?
Oh, it was awesome.
Did you understand it?
What's that?
Did you see the subtitles?
Oh, the subtitles are great.
Okay.
Edde movie.
Picture bari eddettund. Cricket nu pudar dinna sariyatunda iki. Bari like enjoyable ta.
Rupesh Shetty and Arvind Bola has been excellent as well.
Okay.
ತುಂಬಾ ಕಾಮಿಡಿ ವೆರಿ ಫನ್ ವೆರಿ ಫನಿ
ಮೂವಿ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಕಾಮಿಡಿ ಇತ್ತು, ಎಮೋಷನಲ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು.
ಮೂವಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು, ತುಂಬಾ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ.
ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. We had a good laughter, good time.
Okay. Shubhashri, comment?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಮೂವಿ, ಫನ್ನಿ ಆಗಿತ್ತು.
Okay, thank you.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಕಾಮಿಡಿ ಮೂವಿ. Yeah, very good. Oh, it was good. Yeah, it was funny.
Very good movie. First time I'm watching a Kannada Tulu movie.
Okay.
I really enjoyed it very much.
Okay, thank you.
Rupesh Shetty, George Ravello, Daryl Mascarenhas. Let's go! Bale tule tulu cinema talk.
Best in the movie, best Tulu movie ever. US side release maltine Mata Ekla Sandalwood Gelayar Balaga Boka Mata organizers must thanks for bringing this to US. Tumba chanagittu. Thanks to all who were involved.
Don't miss this. If you want to laugh in a theater, it's the right movie to go. Circus.
And
Super movie, very nice, and thanks to the
thank you.
It was nice, enjoyed it. Full fun movie. Hello, ಬೇರೆ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. They remain on the track and nice movie. Good job.
I loved it, especially it was my debut movie, and then I got to see it in theaters. So thanks to Kiran and Sandalwood, Gelayar Balaga, because of them, and Ravi Kiran and the whole team.
Even if you don't understand anything in Hindi, I thought I got to do that. You can still watch the movie and have a good time.
It's amazing. And the husband, the music director. So it was his debut, and I'm very proud of him, and I'm very proud of him.